Hello my beautiful soul tribe, welcome back to my channel. This is Neetu. Today's pick a card reading is about to know what are the changes and blessings that are coming your way. Let's find out how the energy is playing out in terms of bringing all these beautiful changes and blessings that you are waiting for in your life. All right, let's see what are those. As usual, we have 3 piles for you. Pile number 1, 2 and 3. I'll also be placing the crystal on top of each pile. So pick whichever pile you're most drawn to based on the pile as it is, or the crystal on top of each pile. Do however resonates with you. You can pick more than one pile. As soon as you make your selection, timestamps will be pinned in the description box down below. You can jump straight into your reading by clicking on the timestamp. All right, I'll be placing the crystal right now. For group number 1, we have a clear quartz crystal. For group number 1, clear quartz crystal. For group number 2, we have lapis lazuli. Group number 2, lapis lazuli. And for group number 3, we have chrysocolla. All right, so this is such a beautiful crystal. I love it. Okay, so these are the 3 piles we have: a clear quartz crystal, lapis lazuli and chrysocolla. All right, take your time, pause the video. You can select more than one pile. I'll be starting with group number 1 now. Welcome group number 1. If you have selected clear quartz crystal, this reading is for you. Let's find out what are the changes and blessings that are coming your way. Okay, we have 7 of wands and then the sun. So the sun is absolutely a brilliant card for you to receive when we are doing a reading for changes and blessings. This is illumination, this is fun, this is joy, this is a breakthrough, this is a clarity, this is a new understanding, this is a new perspective, this is you having an upper hand over something because you're trying hard to gain this upper hand over something. You're trying to make your way out of something, or you're trying to stand up for yourself though people don't believe in what you are to offer. So there is definitely some sort of a big change that is coming your way, which will help you stand out from everyone else. Like you have this unique quality or unique trait which makes you very special in whatever that you're doing, pursuing or willing to do. All right, so definitely there is a major changes that are coming your way. Look at this beautiful bright sun, illumination. It's like people are going to recognize you, your worth. People are going to recognize what is that you want to offer or what is that you want to say. All right, so there is some sort of people kind of listening to you, listening to what you got to say. That is what I keep seeing. Like you are standing in front of people and you're explaining something and people are finally buying it, people are finally understanding it. All right, it could be in a relationship as well, where finally you and your partner may make up or come to that common ground and make things work. Or if it is business, finally there is this breakthrough where this new idea that you have will give you a breakthrough. All right, so something about you getting a breakthrough, or you standing in that spotlight and people listening to you. All right, so that is amazing. Sun is absolutely, can expect all sort of brightness and light enveloping in your life. Like you have struggled hard to stand or to come to this place where you stand today, and nobody can take away all your hard work. Nobody can underestimate you anymore. Like you are kind of trying to prove your point and people are going to listen to it, people are going to buy it. All right, so that is super cool. That is a beautiful change that is coming your way. Okay, so the next cards is a rejuvenating rain. Clear the past, heal the present. It's like you're leaving behind the past. Group number 1, you're leaving behind the past, uncovering the treasure. Beneath the surface lies great bounty. For some of you, it is definitely about physical wealth, like a monetary benefit. You're going to uncover something. This is a surprise, or this is a sudden inflow of money that you can expect, which is the changes and blessings that are coming your way. And also your guides and angels are telling you to get out of the mentality of lack thinking, like I don't have enough or I'm not worth this breakthrough that I'm receiving, or is it really going to happen? Your angels and guides are telling you, you know what, you'll have to give yourself a break right now. You'll have to rest yourself. You'll have to do some cleansing ritual if you're into all this cleansing ritual, like taking a long spiritual bath, or salt water detox, or something, like releasing the past, releasing the energy that is not serving anymore, because you are entering into this sun, this brightness, this joy, and also uncovering the treasure. For some of you it is physical treasure, for some of you it is about you realizing your worth. It's like all this while you have, I'm so sorry, all this while you have been blaming yourself for no reason, whereas you are such a beautiful positive person. It's like you're realizing your self-worth and the importance of your role in this world. All right, you realizing how important you are, and that will give you a rite of passage to overcome all the difficulties or the situation if it is really tough for you at this moment. Good fortune, invite magic in. So absolutely there is some magic. This rainbow indicates like blessings in all direction, like you have the upper hand right now. Energies are definitely in your favor right now. If you want to do something, take action, or if you want to take certain decision, this is the right time for you to do so in order to bring changes into your life, because definitely the energies are in your favor, and rainbow is absolutely beautiful, and we have good fortune going on. We have uncovering treasure going on. If you have been struggling hard to keep up with your bills, with your monthly all the things that you have to pay, if it was really difficult, there is definitely some surprise, delightful surprise that is coming your way in terms of treasure, money, uncovering something in a very surprising way. All right, that is going to give you a kind of relief, and that is a blessing that is coming your way. And we have two cards. When two cards are emphasizing very strongly, it is definitely very strongly there in your energy field. The good fortune and the treasure is very strongly there in your energy field. All right, so it's like whatever decision that you want to take, you are definitely going to move forward. So this is a time for you to realize your worth and take certain decisions which are going to benefit you right now, because it's absolutely beautiful. Your energy is radiating very strongly right now. Friendship, nurture your relationship. For some of you it is about making or coming in terms with what is going on with your relationship. As I told you, I was picking up on some relationship issues as well. This is the time for you to nurture your relationship, rekindle your relationship, and the changes that you can expect are the changes in terms of the relationship as well. All right, so definitely something is blossoming, something new is blossoming in your life to benefit you, to give you back some good karma that you have done in the past. This is the time for you to enjoy some good karma that is due to you. All right, so definitely there is a lot of beautiful things, beautiful changes and blessings that are coming your way. It could be monetary benefits, it could be mending in relationships, or finally realizing your worth and moving on from what is not serving you. But there is definitely a very strong positive changes that are coming your way. Though it seems a little hard for you at this point in time, it is definitely serving its purpose. So definitely believe that. All right, serenity, compassion, acceptance and contentment. This is a time for you to be compassionate of yourself, accepting yourself and being content with what you have and what is that you are ready to go after. And there is that focus towards what is that you want. You have always been in this energy of looking backwards. This is the time for you to move on, look forward, look beyond what is there in your reality right now, because the reality what you are in right now is going to change. It is going to give you a lot of what they're trying to tell you is you have learned something, or everything that was happening till now has served its purpose. So now it's time for you to move on and give space for something new to enter into your life. All right, so I definitely see a lot of blessings. I keep seeing a gift, or I don't know if you have a birthday coming. I keep seeing a gift, or somebody is gifting you something, or somebody unexpectedly meeting you and definitely benefiting you in some way, like rekindling your old relationship or old friendship, or you bump into your old friend and you talk to that person and kind of you click immediately with your idea. There is some changes that is definitely waiting to enter into your life, and it is about to enter into your life. All right, time to move on. Yes, for some of you it is time for you to release the past so that you can allow this newness or this new energy to come into your life, which is absolutely beautiful. It's time to let go of the old and worn out so that the new can come in. Time to move on. And also this is indicating that it is time for you to voluntarily decide that whatever happened or however the life was, it was in the past. So now my focus is going to be towards future, towards what is that I want, towards understanding how important I am here in this world, how beautiful and that pure soul that you are. So this is the time for you to realize that, accept that, and allow all this beauty to come into your life. I'm just admiring the spread so much. It is so vibrant, it is so colorful, it is all about rainbow, like all different colors are seen, all greens are seen. It's like healing the past, rejuvenating and coming out of something and entering into this beautiful space, like you are entering into this garden filled with different colors of flower, fruits, and I'm seeing a lot of abundance, in terms of you're meeting your needs, like what you want in your life, for you to be content in your life, to be happy in your life. So you're entering into that garden space for you to pick up whatever that you want, so that you can save it, store it, savor it, and enjoy your life. All right, so this is a vision that is shown to me, like you're entering into this garden, and it is so lush, it is so abundant. I'm really happy where you're headed, and that's why these readings are so important for us to allow us to keep our focus towards future and not worry about what happened in the past, and staying in the present, and not to give up on ourselves, or not to give up on what is going on, because we deserve this beauty that we are entering into, right? So yeah, that's all I'm getting for you, group number 1. If you have liked the video, please subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Love you all. Take care. Bye-bye. Welcome, group number 2. If you have selected lapis lazuli, this reading is for you. Let's get started and see what are the changes and blessings that are coming your way. Okay, we have 5 of cups and King of Pentacles. For some of you, it is about decision making. Some of you are probably going back and forth about something or about somebody. If it is a love proposal or a job offer or a business offer, or trying to work things out with your partner in a relationship or in a business or some way, there is something about taking a decision, or probably you are kind of going back and forth about something. For some of you, for others of you, it is about getting over the past and moving on to the future, moving on and accepting whatever happened for a reason, and taking control of your life. It's time for you to take control of your life, and the energies are absolutely in your favor if you decide to take control of your life and lead your life and live your life in your own terms. All right, for some of you, it is about the new offer that is entering into your life, which will bring in the abundance or a satisfaction or a emotional satisfaction that you have been waiting for. This could be a love relationship that is coming your way, or some sort of offer or something very important that is entering into your life. Whatever that was missing is kind of, you're going to find this missing piece or this missing puzzle that is going to complete, or that is going to bring you out of this pain or sorrow, or something that you lost. All right, it's for if somebody is not, it is not about if you're not waiting anybody to enter into your life in terms of soulmates or a love relationship. This is definitely about you gaining control of your life, because you kind of feel like it's high time for me to take control of my life, because lot happened in the past, and you have learned, you have grown, you have outgrown the past. It's time for you to move on and take control of your life, whatever that means to you. All right, it's like you getting ready to take on the world, if that makes sense, or if that is what you're going through right now. Energies are definitely going to shift. If you're not feeling the shift yet, this energy shift is happening for you, and that is a major changes and blessing coming your way for you to lift you off this pain, lift you off this dull, boring energy, and taking control over your life, taking control over what you can actually take control, instead of worrying and crying about what you can't really control in your life anymore, because that is in the past. There is nothing much that you can do about it. Okay, choosing your path, all is possible. For some of you, it is a life purpose or a major life decision. You're trying to take some major life decision for you as of now. It's like, is it what I'm supposed to be doing? Is it what I am destined to do? Or you're kind of choosing your path. As I told you, we have two men here, like one is looking the other side, and this one towards the opposite side. Like, there's a lot of back and forth energy. You're trying to take decision for sure. You're kind of choosing your path right now and understanding if this is what you want to do, and you're trying to take decision based on that. In silence, peace prevails. Solitude, your angels and guides are telling you, spend some time in solitude, or you're already spending a lot of time alone. All right, I'm definitely feeling this energy of being alone, like hermit. I'm getting this hermit energy. I'm surprised why we don't have hermit energy. I'm getting a lot of thinking here, like you're thinking about taking a decision, or you're thinking about something, or there's a lot of thinking energy that I'm receiving here, although it is not waste of time. Don't think that you're wasting your time thinking so much or analyzing so much. It is serving its purpose. You have to do this. You will have to be in your solitude. You will have to sometime go away from everyone and spend time alone for you to take decisions. And this is the path that you have to take, irrespective of what others tell you to do. All right, that is something I'm picking up very strongly. Like, not many people may agree with you, not many people may understand what you're thinking and why you're thinking the way you're thinking. All right, so there is a lot of self like this word decision keeps coming back. Like, you will have to take the decision, like you will have to take control of your life, or you'll have to take control or decision towards which path to take. All right, so that is what I'm picking very strongly. Believe in your dreams. Look at that, dreams. For some of them, it is about business or something that you want to do, that is potentially going to help you build a legacy. All right, yeah, word legacy is very strongly kicking in. Like, this, whatever you're planning to do, it's like building a legacy for yourself, kind of helping others as well. And this path is very important to you, like it is destined for you to do, and you're kind of worried and going back and forth about it. Maybe you were not able to successfully do it in the past, and you're kind of worried right now, or there's something about you taking a decision to go or follow this path. For most of you already know what is that you want to do. This is just a confirmation. Your angels and guides are telling you to actually follow your dreams, follow your path. You are destined to do something in this lifetime, and you already feel that you know what it is, but you're kind of speculating, worrying whether you will be able to sustain, whether you'll be able to take it forward, or people going to listen to your approve your ideas. But you are King of Pentacles. You know what you're doing, all right? You don't have to consult others. Yeah, you may take help of others, but let your decision be the final decision, and not allowing others to dominate your interest or your dreams. I definitely feel that someone had to listen to this for sure for you to be taking a decision. And invite serendipity. Yes, it is all about dreams and visions. You have a dream or vision, or something that is very strongly forcing you to take certain actions or go forward or take control of your life in a way you never thought possible. And this is kind of catching you off guard, like I never thought I'll be able to do this, I never thought I'll be able to think this way, and you kind of surprised at your own ability. And your angels and guides are telling that is what we are trying to tell you. You are so much capable. You are so much capable than you give yourself credit for. And these are the changes that are like, it is going to bombard into your life. Like, you cannot control anymore. You cannot stop yourself anymore from pursuing this. All right, whatever that is happening in your mind right now, your angels and guides are telling you to trust it. Yeah, I'm listening the word trust. I'm so sorry. I didn't see this card. I swear I didn't see this card. I was getting the word trust, and I looked at my hand. There was this card trust. Oh my God. And number 7, it is a number of spirituality. Like you are a path. It is something related to spirituality, or this is something you are destined to do, that you are deciding to do right now. Overcoming fear, intentions, having faith, trust, faith. Yes, your angels and guides are definitely urging you to trust your path. You have enough courage, you have enough capability to follow this path. Do not underestimate yourself, because you may have this tendency to underestimate yourself, or self-criticize. I don't think so this is possible. And your angels and guides are definitely urging you to believe in yourself. All right, you are king of Pentacles, for God's sake. He knows this worldly matters. He knows how to take care of finances, due to his experience. If you are not already in this king position, you are reaching there. You're going to reach there, and this is something destined for you to do. Oh my God. Yes, your intuition is correct. Take action accordingly. These cards never fails to surprise me. Like so beautifully, it is all aligned. Like, you'll have to trust your dreams. If you're getting these nudges, if you're getting these messages, like you have to do something, your angels and guides are telling you that yes, that is right. Follow your intuition, follow your dreams. Don't underestimate yourself. Believe in magic, believe in miracles. And these are all the changes that is happening. These are all the blessings that are coming your way. You are ready. Wow, this is so strong. This is so beautiful and empowering at the same time. Yes, answer is yes. For people who of you are worried about anything, your intuition is correct. Take action accordingly. This is the time for you to take control of your and going after it. I mean, look at this, how beautiful this layout looks. I mean, even for group number 1, they had such a beautiful layout, and I really urge you to take some time off and think about what is this nudge, what is your intuition trying to tell you. And please believe in your abilities, believe in yourself. Do not let others dominate you or tell you otherwise. Like you're not capable or good enough, because you are enough to do whatever this is, and your angels and guides are backing you in this. All right. yeah, that's all I'm getting for you, group number 2. If you have liked the video, please subscribe to my channel, and love you all. Take care. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Welcome, group number 3. If you have selected this beautiful chrysocolla crystal, I said energy. So chrysocolla is for healing. This is a very soothing and calming crystal. I love this crystal. Let's see, what is this? Changes and blessings coming your way. Okay, so we have 9 of swords, and then we have judgment. So the first word that I received as soon as I touched this card is about empowerment. It is about releasing you from fear. It is about getting over fear, limited beliefs, limited thoughts, lack mentality, or anything, any thoughts or any situation that is not serving you, like self-imposed prison. Yeah, that is the word I'm very strongly receiving, like self-imposed prison. You're going to break free of that, and your angels and guides are telling you that this is the time for you to reflect back on whatever happened or how you reached to the stage of putting yourself in the self-imprisonment in your mind. All right, it is not much that is happening in your outside world, but it is about you, your own mindset. It is about you not feeling really good about yourself. This is a time for you to reflect, and the changes and the blessing that is coming your way is a breakthrough. It is about releasing yourself from this prison that you have put yourself into in your mind most of the times. This is a time for you to break free of overthinking as well, overcoming past pain, overcoming whatever that was putting you in this stressful state, or whoever that was putting you in this stressful state. And also your angels and guides are very strongly telling me that no matter what the outside circumstance is, no matter whoever is trying to put you in this stage, you always have to remember you allowed them to do so. And I'm not trying to be harsh, because they are showing me images, they are just giving messages, like they're showing me this jail or a prison or bars, and you have allowed it to happen, and this is the time for you to break free of this, whatever the situation means to you, or this is just getting rid of or cleansing and detoxing your mind. All right, that is another word which is very strongly coming through. Detoxing your mind, detoxing your environment, detoxing and decluttering your space, and creating a sacred space for yourself, creating a beautiful place to live in, and releasing and decluttering everything overall. And that is such a blessing for you right now. That is such a change that you require right now, to declutter everything, release everything that is not helping you or that is putting you in this situation which you don't deserve. All right, try to fit in the reading wherever or whichever situation you are going through this, because this is a very strong message, very strong messages that I'm receiving from your guides. Look at that. Look at that, stepping into your power. You're strong beyond measure. Wow. And then we have desert passage. Trust, there is a divine plan. Trust, there is a divine plan. Right now it may seem like everything is fogged in. It may seem like there is no way out. It may seem like everything is chaotic, but your angels and guides are telling you that trust, there is a divine plan. But before that, you'll have to free yourself from whatever the situation that you have put yourself into, mentally, physically, in your space, or whatever that is causing you the self-imposed prison. It's time for you to detox and declutter from that, and stepping into your power, like standing up and telling no to whoever or whatever that is forcing you to be in the situation. It's like you're stepping into our power, stepping into your true identity. All right, for some of you it is realizing your identity, realizing your worth, realizing how important you are, how beautiful you are, how creative you are, and people don't see that because you don't show it to them. This is the time for you to show people who you are in a truest sense, instead of trying to accommodate everybody, trying to be like somebody else just to make sure that you fit in. All right, so this is the time for you not to fit in anymore. It's all right if you don't fit in. We were not made to fit in with a situation or circumstance that is happening with us. We are here to stand out, to be different, to be unique, to dare to speak our truth. And this is the time for you to speak your truth, realizing your truth and telling no whenever it is necessary for you to tell a no. All right, and this is the time for you. Yeah, that is the reason I got the word empowerment as soon as I picked up your pile. It's like a lot of empowerment, resilience is another word that I'm picking up, and I'm feeling a little heavy. I definitely know you are going through some heavy stuff right now, but you are going to release and break out of this self-imposed prison, or whatever that means to you. You are going to break free of that. Oh, look at that. We have angels of miracle. Angel of miracles, open your heart and expect a miracle. Expect a miracle. Group number 3, you are guided. Your angels are seeing. Your guides are seeing. Your ancestors are seeing, because we are always surrounded by such beautiful spiritual team. We just can't see them. We just can't perceive them. It doesn't mean that they are not there. They are looking over us. They're watching over us. And whenever the time is right, whenever we are ready to receive, whenever we finish learning our lesson from the situation that we are going through, they will come in to help us, to show us the direction. And you are in that stage. You are in that stage where you're ready to empower yourself. You're ready to accept and receive this beautiful miracles into your life. Open your heart to the miracles that are entering into your life. Your angels stand close to you. Group number 3, maybe because you're going through a very hard life lesson. And one thing we'll have to understand, as long as we don't learn what we have to learn from any given situation, it keeps repeating itself in one way or another. So the wise thing for us to do is ask ourselves, what is the situation teaching us? What is that we'll have to learn? And learn it faster. In your case, it is about learning your worth, learning your becoming empowered and standing up for yourself. That is your lesson. So once you make that decision to learn, to overcome this fear or insecurities, you learned your lesson. All right, and that is when our angels and guides come in, or allowed to come in. That is the law. We are here to learn. Unless we don't finish learning, we keep blaming God and angels and everybody that why you're not helping us, we are in such a pain. You cannot ask them to lift your pain. Instead, ask them, help me to overcome or to learn. What is that I have to learn? What is that I'm not seeing in the situation? And that is the only way they can help us. They cannot lift our pain and sorrow, but they can help us. They can empower us, which will in turn force us, lift us up, and bring us out of the pain. All right, so that came out very strongly for you, group number 3. You definitely had to listen to that. Vacation, take time for relaxation and adventure, my friend. Group number 3, all of you beautiful group number 3 people who have picked the pile, this is the time for you to take a vacation, take a break, take yourself out, pamper yourself, love yourself, empower yourself. It is all about you. It is not about others anymore. It is not about others anymore. It is about you. It is about you. Take a break, take a vacation, take whatever that will give you a sense of relief right now. Do that. Do not stop yourself. Do that. Protection, warrior, safety, acts of kindness. You are definitely protected. Group number 3. That is why you got such a strong messages from your angels and guides. Out of 3 piles, yours is the pile where I sensed a lot of energy around me when I was when I'm talking to you right now. There is a lot of protection around you, and they want to make sure that you are protected, you are taken care of, and yeah, situation is very delicate, fragile, or your heart is very fragile right now. It has been through a lot. It has hurt a lot. You are recovering or healing from something, or you are in middle of a big decision or a big outburst of or a breakthrough or an outburst. The word outburst is very strongly coming out. So probably you're ready. That is the reason I keep receiving this message like miracles are entering. Because of this outburst, you realize your worth, your importance, your capability, and you kind of standing up and telling to others or to yourself is like, telling to yourself like enough is enough. Yeah, like you're telling enough is enough. Let me listen to myself. Let me be there for myself. This is time for me to take care of myself. Alchemy, you have the Midas touch right now, and every project you begin turns to gold. Yeah, it's like this situation is serving you. Do not think that this situation is putting you in such a bad place. This situation is giving you the rite of passage to realize and empower and become and stand in your truth, stand in your light. Because if this situation had not happened, you wouldn't realize how strong you are, how courageous you are, and be grateful for that. And right now it's like it's definitely an alchemy, correct, changing or making things work in our favor, like, right? So you are definitely in this in between this alchemical process of changing something just a raw mineral into such beautiful crystal, right? So you're definitely in this chaotic stage for some of you, but you are definitely getting this outlet or a big change or miracles that are entering into your life. Those are all the blessings and changes that is happening in your life right now, and your angels and guides stand very close to you because you're ready for the change. You're ready for an amazing life that you have or that you deserve, that probably you don't know as of now. You can't even imagine the best possible life for yourself, but you're in the process of becoming a butterfly from the cocoon. You're just emerging out. You still have to explore this world with those beautiful wings, and that is what I am shown right now. Like you're popping out, like you were drowning. You were in this sea or ocean bed, and you kind of now know how to swim and float. You kind of come out of the sea, and you can finally breathe. You can finally see the sun. See, I'm trying to form a sentence out of whatever they're showing me, the vision, like you bobbed out of water and now finally you can see the sun. You can breathe deeply. Your body is still underwater. You're not completely out of the ocean, but you are free now to swim and come to the shore. At least that capability you realized, and now you will make it to the shore and you will survive. If that makes any sense to you. I'm just telling whatever is shown to me, and hopefully that will help you in some way. And that's all I have for you, group number 3. I send you a lot of blessings and love. Take care. Love you all. See you in my next video. Subscribe if you have liked the video. Bye bye.